Let's look at a demo of deployment of the Azure Marketplace Deep Security Manager. In order to use the Azure Marketplace offer, you need to log into your Azure account on the Azure Marketplace. You can then do a search for Deep Security and you will find the Deep Security Manager BYOL offer. Before you begin, here's what you'll need. You need a license key for the Deep Security. Optionally, if you're setting up a multi-tenant DSM, you need the license key for the multi-tenancy as well. If you're using an existing database, then you need the database information. And you need to know if there are special port considerations for the Deep Security Manager web service and heartbeat ports. When you have all of this, you're ready to begin. All of the steps for deploying the Deep Security on Azure Marketplace are outlined in the Help Center at help.deepsecurity.trendmicro.com. So let's look at what this looks like. Once you've logged into the Azure portal and you've found the Deep Security BYOL offer, then we need to actually create an instance. So we can review the information here and click Create. Here we're going to specify the name of the Deep Security Manager virtual machine. Enter a username and a password for the VM. These credentials will be used to log into the actual VM itself. This is not for the Deep Security Manager. Depending on the type of authentication you select, you have to enter a strong password or an SSH public key. Type a name into the resource group to create a new resource group. Azure does not allow Deep Security Manager to be deployed on an existing resource group. Select an Azure region from the location list and click OK. Here you can create a new database or enter the name of an existing one on the database settings. Enter a database name, enter the database admin name, enter the database admin password and confirm password, and click OK. Enter the name of the Deep Security administrator that you will use to log into Deep Security and enter the password. Then click OK. Click the arrows to review the settings for the new virtual network and the subnet for the Deep Security Manager. Click OK and then click OK again. Review the information on the summary page and click OK when Validation Passed appears at the top. Read the terms of use and the privacy policy and click Create. It will take approximately 30 to 40 minutes before the new virtual machine is up and running. When installation is complete, open a browser and go to the DNS name :8443. Now we can verify the install by going to the System Information under Administration in Deep Security Manager. We will log in with the credentials that we specified during the install. Click on Administration, click on System Information, and we can see that we have a DSM with a SQL Server database. If we go to Licenses, because we didn't enter one, you will see that there are no activation codes. You can actually enter new activation codes, and this is where you would put in the activation code for the Deep Security Manager. And we can also verify that a relay has been created on the Deep Security Manager node. So now we've deployed the Azure Marketplace BYOL Deep Security Manager. Thank you for attending this session on creating a Deep Security Manager using the Azure Marketplace. For more information on Deep Security, visit trendmicro.com/hybridcloud or help.deepsecurity.trendmicro.com.